This is TechCrunch.
The Trump administration signed a notable multi-billion-dollar trade deal with Taiwan that's designed to help the United States boost domestic semiconductor manufacturing. Under the deal announced by the U.S. Department of Commerce on Thursday, Taiwanese semiconductor and tech companies have agreed to make direct investments of $250 billion into the U.S. semiconductor industry. These investments will span across semiconductors, energy, and AI production and innovation. Taiwan currently produces more than half of the world's semiconductors. Taiwan will also supply an additional $250 billion in credit guarantees for additional investments from these semiconductors and tech enterprises, according to the Commerce Department. The time period of these investments is unclear. In return, the U.S. will invest in Taiwan's semiconductor, defense, AI, telecommunications, and biotech industries. The press release did not specify a dollar amount tied to the U.S.'s side of the deal. The news comes the day after the Trump administration published a proclamation that reiterated the country's goal to bring more semiconductor manufacturing back to the United States and acknowledged the process would take time, as only 10% of semiconductors are produced stateside. The statement read, "This dependence on foreign supply chains is a significant economic and national security risk. Given the foundational role that semiconductors play in the modern economy and national defense, a disruption of import-reliant supply chains could strain the United States' industrial and military capabilities." The proclamation, which announced 25% of tariffs on some advanced AI chips, also stated that once trade talks with other countries, like this deal with Taiwan, are complete, there would be additional semiconductor tariffs. OpenAI and Microsoft tried to dodge a courtroom showdown with Elon Musk, but a federal judge wasn't having it, as reported earlier by Bloomberg. On Thursday, she rejected their dismissal request and set the case for a jury trial in late April, meaning they'll officially duke it out in an Oakland courtroom, with Microsoft also dragged into the legal battle. The backstory reads like a tech soap opera. Musk and Sam Altman co-founded OpenAI with others in 2015 as a non-profit with lofty charitable goals. But those fuzzy feelings didn't last. Musk left and in 2023 started his own AI company, xAI, and now claims his former partners betrayed their mission by taking billions from Microsoft and restructuring as a for-profit. The relationships have seemingly curdled across the board. OpenAI and Microsoft remain business partners but increasingly compete head-to-head in AI. Meanwhile, Musk and Altman have gone from collaborators to arch-enemies, with OpenAI dismissing Musk's lawsuit as baseless and harassment, and an attempt to slow it down. The judge found enough evidence to let a jury decide whether OpenAI broke its nonprofit commitments. A jury will also now decide whether Microsoft knowingly helped OpenAI break its promises, though the judge dismissed Musk's claim that Microsoft unjustly enriched itself at his expense. That's it from TechCrunch. For more stories like these, go to TechCrunch.com.